So this is day 4 of our lockdown, and this is our dinner for tonight. We gotta have to cook something nice for my husband because I did not cook the breakfast that he wanted. So you can see this is hickory smoked chicken. Hickory smoked chicken, a pizza base with tomato Italian sauce, and then the smoked cheese, and with 4 herbs spread into it, like marjorie, thyme, bay leaves, and parsley. Make it more tastier. Keep the old bastard happy. I just called him old bastard. He's not actually old. He's moaning and moaning all the time, so I called him an old man. Sweetened calamansi juice to make it more flavorful, and a little bit on the rice so you can see there's a sauce on it. Can you do a takeout? Can you pick up a takeout Indian? I said, that's not necessity. Oh, he would rather take the risk. And he said he'll rather take the risk of having the virus than to put up with my cooking. So what you're looking at here is a takeout from the Indian that he requested to keep the old man happy. I'm here right now in the groceries, picking up some essential stuff and medicines and doing my banking. We cannot go inside Mandawi City now. Cebu City residents should stay around Cebu City. So instead of going to SNR, I'm here in Country Mall. And so you can see, you cannot go in here without the mask. Mask is now mandatory. Not so much with the gloves, but I do have my gloves. But you can see there's still a lot of people shopping. Sometimes the social distancing is not observed unconsciously, I suppose, but when they notice it, they'll just immediately stay away. So I need some essentials, like I said, and do some banking. So I'm just showing you how is it here now. This is the situation here on the grocery. You can see that there is less people than usual. And when you go to the pharmacy, they have the shield that you can see here. And you gotta have to observe the 1.5 meter distance here. So there is no shortage of food, but there is limitation. And also even the open counters, like, well, the load is, which I come here for, they're offline, so I cannot buy load for uploading my stuff. They're still also shielded with a plastic thing that they have done. So basically, some people are still shopping normally, but the thing is, you cannot go to Mandawi City nor to Talisay City. Cebu City residents stays around Cebu City. I was barred to go to SNR